Hello and welcome back to the videos about hardware, software and anywhere. This video will be a follow-up video to a video I made 1.5 years ago. It was about whitening white Lego bricks with hydrogen peroxide. In this video I'll be talking about preservation of white Lego bricks. The simplest way to keep your white Lego bricks white is to make sure they don't catch UV rays from the sun. I'll first show you my Lego bricks collection. What I've done is seal off all my transparent baskets with black duct tape. I'm still looking for some black baskets to store my white Lego bricks in. In this first sealed off basket I have all my white Lego bricks with stickers and painted pictures or texts on them. In this basket I have all kinds of white and black Lego windows and doors. In this basket I've stored 3 different colored bricks including some white Technic Lego. I have one large drawer at the bottom full with white Lego bricks and plates, a bucket full of 1 or 2 stud bricks, and a smaller basket filled with white tiles, cones, grades, slopes, etc. I've separated the white plates from the bricks for easy searching. And back in go the basket and bucket, nice and dark. I have one more storage where I have white Lego parts, and that's this one. The trays at the top are filled with vehicle parts and all kinds of other small Lego parts. Those are all my white Lego bricks. I got a lot of comments under my previous video about treating white Lego bricks with hydrogen peroxide. Some say that the bricks will color back to yellow in a year. I must admit I only started storing my white Lego bricks in dark baskets for about half a year now. I've whitened my Lego bricks in the middle of June of 2023. So let's check how they look in the middle of February 2025, 1 year and 8 months later. To make it easy, I'll just say 1.7 years later. I'm using a black background to get a better contrast. I tried getting as much sunlight as possible in the middle of February. That's quite hard in Northern Europe. I think the results will be good enough visually. I'm going to compare my whitened Lego bricks from 1.7 years back to newer bricks that still look very white today. These are original white Lego bricks. They're a lot younger than the treated white Lego bricks. I'll start with this white Lego bench. It still looks pretty white, but it has colored yellow just a little bit. But it's hard to see now. Here I have an old white Lego plate that I haven't treated with hydrogen peroxide to see the maximum color change. So now I can create a full spectrum from white up to yellow-white Lego bricks. These 4 white plates are very old plates, and these color back faster than other Lego parts. Probably because they're older and maybe made from another plastic polymer. I have one part I know I've treated with hydrogen peroxide for sure, and that's this one. If you look closely, you can see the white treated side on the left and the original side, a bit yellow, on the right. This large plate is the only 6x10 white plate I have. It's in my stack of treated white Lego parts from 1.7 years ago. When I place it next to the white parts, you can see that it is a little bit yellow compared to the one on the left. I'll show it again with the lights out and maybe this will give a better contrast. I'm just trying things out here. I'm now going to place a lot of unique pieces from 1.7 years ago that I treated with hydrogen peroxide on the table and compare them with the real white Lego parts. Okay, I'm now going to get technical, guys and girls. Here we start with the Lego ambulance doors, the Lego sun umbrella, Lego circle tiles, 8 studs long Lego slopes, 1 large Lego brick 2x10, 2 Lego plain tails, 2 tiles with yellow arrows on them, the Lego bricks with the ice popsicle on it, 2 Lego shutters, a Lego mud guard, the Lego support, the Lego megaphone, a Lego panel. This is the unique dented Lego brick. This one really improved and still looks good. This time try to compare it with the before hydrogen peroxide treatment. A Lego steering stand, the unique Lego bar with broken off parts. These are all unique parts that I know for sure have been treated with hydrogen peroxide. Let's see if we can see the difference better if I turn off the lights. Here's a 2x4 Lego brick to show you that the sides color back to yellow faster on the sides than on the top. Let's continue. The red ambulance sign, the 1x4 long Lego tile, the 2x12 Lego plate, 3 base vehicle Lego parts, the Lego bar handles, Lego headlight, the Lego cockpit space nose, the Lego jumper, the Lego utensil space gun / torch, 2 Lego fences. I'm placing some real white bricks in between the tainted bricks to get a good comparison between color grades. Also again I turn off the lights and try to get a different contrast between the white and tainted Lego parts. More pieces to compare. Inverted Lego slopes 1x3, inverted Lego slopes 2x2, Lego brackets. I'll now show you some good footage that shows the difference in colors. Most parts have colored back to the tainted yellow-white. Other parts color back a bit slower, such as the slopes and handles. But it's good to see in this footage what the difference in colors are. The dented brick is still amazingly white. The tiles with the yellow arrows are still very white. The red cross white tile has tainted a little bit yellow again. Everything around the white brick in the middle has tainted yellow just a little bit. The bar handle looks very white because it's on a yellow plate background. If I place it next to the slopes, it still looks pretty white. If we look at the large bricks with long flat surfaces, they tend to go back to the tainted yellow the fastest. Let's check out how much the plain tails have actually colored back by placing a white brick in between them. Still pretty much. Also, the white bench has degraded back to its old yellow-white a bit. I have made more footage of comparing more parts, but during editing I found that this is more than enough. I still had more slopes, tiles, roof holders, and so on and so on. Many of these parts come from the same sets. So that's obvious and confirms that white Lego sets color gradually altogether. There's no definitive conclusion, but I discovered that some parts just color back faster than others. Sometimes it has to do something with its surface, and sometimes it has to do with its age or creation period. It probably also has to do that Lego in the early years was created with a different type of plastic, maybe? But most of these Lego parts are over 40 years old, so it's no wonder they've changed color after such a long time. And after treating them with hydrogen peroxide, they also slowly return to their tainted white colors. I do think you can delay it by storing your white Lego bricks inside UV resistant baskets. Oh yeah, all the photos you saw in the video, they were made before I even treated anything with hydrogen peroxide. So these photos are more than 2 years old. I wanted to produce this video a week earlier, but I had the flu for almost a whole week. That's why this video has been delayed. Hope you liked the video. It took quite some time comparing all this and finding all the pieces back from 1.7 years ago. Hey, share your experiences with tainted back yellow after hydroperoxide. I just showed that after 1.7 years, it taints back, but it's not always bad. Subscribe to my channel if you want to. Thanks for watching. Bye.